I'm going to be teaching synthetic division. There are three main parts. You have p of x, d of x, and q of x. D of x is the polynomial that you divide into the polynomial p of x. The p of x of this problem is x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x plus 25, and d of x is x minus 5. Q of x is what you're solving for. Now in synthetic division, the d of x is usually x minus a. In this given problem, we know that x is minus 5, so therefore a equals 5. In synthetic division, you're going to put the 5 at the top, and you're going to draw a line to separate it. For synthetic division, you write all of the numbers that go along with the x's or their coefficients in front on the top, and you go in numerical order based on the power. So in our case, we start with x cubed, then x squared, x to the power of 1, and then x to the power of 0. X cubed is only 1, x squared has negative 5, x to the power of 1 is negative 7, and x to the power of 0 is 25. Oh, I need more space. Okay. I write too big. You start by bringing the first value down, and then you multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. In synthetic division, you add the two numbers. So negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. You put the answer to the addition problem at the bottom of the line. 5 times 0 is 0, so we're going to put 0 over here. Negative 7 plus 0 is still negative 7. And then you have 5 times negative 7, which is negative 35. 25 minus 35 is negative 10. You're going to split off the last value, and this is your remainder, or r of x. Then with these three numbers that you have, you're going to give them values. You always start from the lowest. So you have x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 2. In this case, we have x squared minus 7 that's what we got from here, and then we have to add in our remainder. There's two ways you can write it. You can either say x squared minus 7 divided by d of x, or not divided by, multiplied by d of x. I should probably do this. Minus 10, or you can write it as x squared minus 7 minus the remainder, which is 10, over x minus 5. And that is how you do synthetic division. You can go back and check, and I'm going to have to use a piece of paper for this part by multiplying it all out. I'm going to use this one to check. So I have x squared minus 7 times x minus 5 minus 10, and that is q of x right here. You FOIL it out. You have x squared times x, which is x cubed. Then you go outside, x squared times negative 5, negative 5x squared. Inside, negative 7 times x, negative 7x x, and then last you have -7 times -5 is 37. Positive 35. I'm sorry, not 37. I meant 35. And then you have your -10 at the end. You combine your like terms, and in this case, it's going to be x to the 0 power. You have 35 minus 10, and that is 25. And if you did synthetic division correctly, you should end up with your original, which is p of x, which we did. We got x cubed minus 5x minus 7x plus 25. That is right here. Okay, thank you.